What's up, everybody? Stixx here, Stixx Picks, back here for another video at the Concord Flea Market. Last time was at the Stockton one, now at the Concord Flea Market for a picking video. Let's see what we can find.
Put a song on what? Third day for you? I checked your video.
Yeah, around there, maybe 4.
I see a first.
Oh, really? Thank you.
You got the yellow guitar.
I almost got it. I should have. I should have got it. It was.
It's a good guitar. It's kind of cheap. The price.
I should have.
Oh, you use it.
You have to watch out for he always cusses. So.
Bad word again.
Here's a potty man. Ooh, 1989, 1984.
What?
What are these?
I know what you did 2 weeks ago.
What I did?
Yeah, I know what you did
What
2
did I
weeks
do?
ago, and I don't appreciate it, all right? 2
What did
weeks
I
ago, after I made the sale with the lady, you went back because she told me. She's not gonna lie to me. That you said
Like how you lied to her?
What?
You told her that you went that wasn't what she told you, and you weighed that necklace, and you went to go scrap it and brought it back to her for exchange. That's not cool. That lady's out there working too.
I'm not talking about that. Just stay, keep my name out of your mouth. Worry about your own business.
Your name
right?
ain't ever in my mouth.
All right, Jen.
Your name ain't ever in my mouth. But what I watched you do is do that. You told that lady scrap was 29 a gram.
That's what. Yeah, I'm telling you, stay out my face.
I'm not gonna watch people screw
I'm not
people.
arguing.
I like that lady. She's a friend of mine.
I'm not arguing.
Don't argue.
I'm just letting you know.
I'm telling you.
I'm just letting you know, all
I
right?
suggest you
I'll let you know.
watch yourself.
So you watch yourself, all right? Thank you.
You watch yourself.
Just say it.
Dang. That happened there.
Oh, he's mad because he tried to screw some lady over. He tried to like tell her that her stuff wasn't this and that. I always find it best to stay away from. I always find it best to stay away from those situations because I have a bad temper and I cannot. I can only control myself so long. So I like to walk away. Because if I get to the point I snap, it's gonna get bad. And I'm not.
Right.
This one's Sterling too.
Yes, both of those are. You just look on the bottom.
Oh yeah. That's cool. I can tell Sterling about myself almost. Oh.
What?
This thing is sick.
Is it sick?
This thing is. Oh
What about
my.
that guy?
This thing is cool, but this is my favorite. All. How much for this
That
piece?
guy's your favorite?
Yeah, I love this piece. How much for this?
25.
25? Would you guys do 20 on it?
22.
I have one pretty similar to it already though. But that's a cool piece. I'll definitely come around to it again.
Give me 20.
All right. I'll get it. Here you go. Thank you.
Thank you.
Dang, look at this. Look at that piece. Oh, that looks sick.
Indesectable visible frog eye.
Ooh.
Sorry.
Oh, look, they're too small for
I'm
me.
just looking. No, there's like Jess loves fans, so let's look for something that she might like for the girl. Size 6.
Size 2.5.
What'd you get?
I put it in the
Wait a minute.
What?
That looks pretty cool. Yeah, that has a better amp this time than one I saw yesterday.
Before you jump to electric guitar, I would definitely consult pickers.
Yeah, I know. That looks cool though. How much for the guitar? I'm just curious.
That one, 150.
It's a cool guitar. How much with the amp?
Amp by itself, 40. I'll go 175.
I was just curious. Thank you.
Those are $5 a box. You get 6 in each.
They're pretty much together. The ones that I unpacked.
Dang, look at this plate. Look at that thing. How much for these shoes?
600.
Dang, I was not expecting 600. I'm not gonna lie. But I don't really know shoe prices that much, so it's fair. Can I see your guys' Pokemon?
It's for your YouTube, or you want to?
Yeah, I'm with my dad. I want to look at them, but. How much for a pack?
$5.
Can I have one of these Shining Fate ones?
Yes, sir.
I haven't really.
Hey, you want it here? Pick your luck, bro.
Yeah, sure. Actually, let's see. It's probably a Charizard in this one.
Yeah. Good luck, bro.
All right, thank you.
Hey, you bought one pack.
All right, Shining Fates pack. I never opened these. Been online a bunch. Let's see your luck. All right, thank you very much. Thank you. I'll be back. Alright, one pack. Good. These are expensive packs, pretty sure, so. Oh, well, I was thinking, I should probably have another pack for VI. One's not enough. I think I should have two. I think one's not enough.
Shining Fate again?
Yeah, probably. I haven't opened one of those before, so. I've opened most of the other packs.
If you pull something, come back.
I will. Let me, hey, this guy.
15.
Alright.
Thank you, brother.
Thank you. Yeah, here we go. All right, we got 2 packs now instead of 1. I thought 1 was too little for like a pack opening, you know? Now we have a better chance. We got 2 packs. That Pokemon says cereal boxes. I don't think I don't think it's worth trying. All right, we are now leaving the flea market after a pretty short day. We're here for about like an hour or so. Not too many finds. I mean, my dad said he didn't find anything, but I at least found like 2 things I wanted. Not terrible. Could have been better. What's up, everybody? We are back at the storage unit right now after picking at the flea market. And it's time to open these 2 packs that I got. Excited. I've never actually opened a Shining Fates pack before. All right, I don't actually have any seals from or any covers, so hopefully if I actually get something good, I'll just have to, I don't know what I'll do with it actually. Let's see. First pack. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right. Okay, rusted sword. Gym trainer. The wacky. More Pecco. Buzel. Nicket. Cacnea. Koofant. Berserker. And Volcanion. Alright, pack number 2. Pack number 1 was nothing crazy. Just normal little pack. 1, 2, 3, 4. You think I'm gonna get something good, Dad? Huh? You think I'm gonna get something good? Energy. Dartrix. Eldegoss. Luxio. Coughing. Morpeko. Horsey. Spinarock. Rowlet. Beeful. And Dreadnought.
So you got no good cards?
Nothing crazy. Yeah, no full arts, nothing crazy. No.
You paid $10 for that?
I paid $10 for those.
And how much do you think the value of those cards are altogether?
Well, I got nothing crazy. These are all maybe 10 cents each, so
We lost money.
probably lost money. Yeah, you have to. If you're buying Pokemon cards, you're really hoping for one of those full arts at the back. Like, this is an all right card, of course, but it's nothing Nothing good.
So realistically speaking, your best bet would have been to resell the pack for $8 down the road.
It would have been better to resell the packs, but that's not as fun, you know?
Yeah.
That's not as fun than I open the packs. I like opening the packs too.